Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. I think on the GALA chart, the context is well known. We have a 5-wave move to the upside, at least a potential one in a potential leading diagonal, followed by a potential 3-wave pullback into support. So far, we have a small reaction here to the golden ratio, the 61.8 retracement level at 2.2 cents. But price has not given us enough evidence that it's already rallying in a third wave. I think it's very much in holding mode, in a holding pattern here at the moment. And we need to see some evidence that a third wave has started. At the moment, the evidence isn't there. We're going to take a look at this chart on the micro level now, because not too much is going on looking at the bigger picture. What you need to understand is that the 2.03 cent level for me is the last reliable bullish support. You can see how relevant these Fibonacci levels are. They are relevant. Sometimes people say technical analysis doesn't matter or whatever. You see exactly how price respected the 50% retracement level. You see exactly how it respected the golden ratio. And now we need to pay attention to the next Fibonacci level if it makes another low. And we can pretty much say if it makes another low, it will most likely get into the region around 2.03 cents. Yeah, because it's been bouncing off the golden ratio now a few times. Let's see if it needs that one more low or not. At the moment, certainly, it is still reasonable to expect that. It hasn't given us any strong evidence that a low is already in for GALA here in this C wave of wave 2. It could be, I mean, it's come down deep enough, right? And as long as support is holding, we treat it like that. You just need to know that below 2.03 cents, things are going to get difficult. What I will do, I will probably move this to the USDT chart, because the microstructure on the USD chart is not reliable here. You see that normally I prefer USD, but this is just messy. So let's pick currently the USDT just for the micro perspective. This is obviously highly dangerous to dive into the micro level like that. It's not giving us much of a clue. This could be a 5-wave move with an extended 5th wave, absolutely. But obviously it's come down too far. So this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe we talked about that in previous videos. That's why we've been tracking here this sort of microstructure on the 1-hour chart. And then here we can say, look, maybe this came down in an A wave, but this is a 5-wave move. So that's not really bullish, but it could be an A wave. It came down too deep though. It's not a 3-wave move. That's the problem. Unless it's a WXY, okay. But then you need to see it only rallied in 3 waves after that. So it's not, this is not a 1-2 setup. So this would probably be a B wave. And we might look at, okay, is this a C wave? Don't know. What could be is that it's getting an extension of the B. This would be my preference. But the problem is it just came down too much in the A wave. So not so much reliable, to be honest. And I'm very much in doubt. I doubt that here a top is already, a low is already in, because it came down in 5. Okay, it did only rally in 3. That typically suggests continuation to the downside. And if it's going below the 2.2 cent level, this microstructure is going to be invalidated to the upside. So it's going to suggest another low to the 2.03 cent level. This here is also not yet a 5-wave move. This is very much corrective at the moment. Going to the 15-minute chart, you can see that at best, yeah, we might have a leading diagonal here, a wave 1, a wave 2, possibly another 1-2 setup. But then what's this? This is another 3-wave move up. So it could be another 1, 2, 3, 4, but it needs another high. But if you get another high, you still only have 3 waves, because you have a 1, 2, another 1, 2. This could be a 3, but you overall, you haven't got 5 waves. You need the 4 then, you need the 5. This would complete the 3. You need a 4, you need a 5. So, you know, it's just sort of sketched out in a simple way. So that just suggests that, yeah, it takes quite a bit of work to prove to us that a low is in. Essentially what it needs to do to keep it simple, and I need to go back to the USD chart because that's where I've got all the patterns. Essentially it needs to break above this swing high next 2.6 cents and break out of the wedge pattern to the upside that we see here on the 4-hour chart. Then it has gives us a good indication that the low is in. Better will be a break above the larger wave 1 high, which peaked on the 25th of June at 2.84 cents. yeah, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.